We still don't know where the keys went.
Ah.
The guys are like, oh, it's on the keychain.
Could be frustrating if you find it right
We'll
today.
Yeah, we'll find
That will
it.
be fine. But if you find it 6 months, okay, we made a good call. We made a good call.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, so what do we owe you?
Hello.
Hey, can I call you?
Hey, nice to meet you, Dan.
How are you, sir?
Oh, okay.
Because my dumbasses blocked it on.
Ah. I will text you whenever I finish the Tundra, and then I can take care for the rest. All right, that's the Tundra, the first key.
A few moments later.
Nice. Alrighty then, so we have those two guys.
Great.
This is also the new one.
Okay.
If you want, you can also test this one. The third one, I already gave it to him and he tested, everything is good.
Okay. Okay, so what do we owe you? Okay, let me grab that.
Hey, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. You take care. Thanks.